In this video, I want to show you multi-band compression on heavy guitars, but you can use it really on many other instruments. And there's a reason why I'm using it for this guitar, and it's the reason why you can use it on any other sound. So I have my EQ here. This is the drums here, I muted. It's muted. Just have the bass here. If I remove everything here, including the EQ, this is what it sounds like. Everything is messy when we're off the bass. This is why you might want to put multi-band compression on other instruments too. There are lots of reasons, but this is one of them. The low end of this instrument is fighting with the low end of the bass. So I did the EQ here without the EQ, with the EQ. Now that sounds like it's too much, but if I play the bass without the EQ, so that's in addition with the bass. Now with the EQ, without the EQ, it's muddy. With the EQ, it's kind of clean. But I needed extra cleanness, so what I did, I compressed the low part of the guitar with multi-band compression above 300. Let's hear it. With the bass on. Without the compression, with the compression. Listen to the bass becomes clearer without the compression. Multi-band compression, I mean. Now with the multi-band compression, the bass just come out cleaner. So after cutting, I still wanted to remove more bass, more low end, but I can't just do it. If I do it more with EQ, it will be somehow. I wanted to compress it when it's too much, then leave it when it's not too much. So that was what I used this multi-band compression for on this guitar. And you can use this principle for any instrument, in any DAW, even if we're using FL Studio here, it applies. If I use EQ now, it's kind of nice, but the thing becomes too thin. I don't want that. I want it to remove the low end once it's too much. Once it gets past a certain level, bring it down. So that's what this multi-band compression is doing. Now this is the threshold. This is the ratio, just like a normal compressor. What ratio do I have here? About 4 or so to 1. Then this will decide the threshold with which it will start compressing the signal. Let me increase the threshold so that there will be more compression. Yes, that's too much. I just want to show you something there. Let me dial it back. Listen to the low end. Maybe you should use headphone or good studio speakers now. Without the multi-band compression on the guitar. Muddiness without again. Muddy low end. Listen without the multi-band compression. Now with. I believe you've gotten 1 or 2 from this video. I have lots of videos on compression, EQ, and this kind of stuff. You can check them out. If this multi-band compression is complex for you guys, you can let me know. If there's anyone who does not, they are beginners who may not get multi-band compression. So I'll just explain the full multi-band compression. And I'll do that in another video. Like this video if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. And hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing when we drop new videos. I'm at Pro to this on Pro Studio. That's it.